I get a good angle. So just gonna start by taking off the skid plate right here, at the front. And yeah, I haven't been on the channel for a little while. Obviously, y'all know why. Because the boy been busy. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this shit is not comfortable, dog. But I'm gonna finish it. That's this one right here. Start by the next one. Some say this wrong, not hard, bro. But actually, I think all I gotta do, bro, is start by moving these bolts, and we'll be able to get right to work. So I hope y'all boys like the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, because we'll be putting out some content a little bit later, but god damn. Let me get this bolt out, bro. Numero dos. What are you talking about? And do this fucking oil change. Let's get it. So that's one right there. I'm gonna move on the other side now of the car and do that one. So this car currently is a project, as y'all already know. Also, Mars will be coming to the 370. Just you gotta be patient. Trying to get like a mid-mount kit to get it mounted towards this area of the car. I'm trying to see if I could probably do that. And y'all don't actually have to take the whole skid plate off. You just gotta take it off to where you can flip it, and it should be able to come up. Let's see. Oh, and there it is. All the parts should be right here. The drain plug is right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. This gold thing is the drain plug, and ouch, I just touched my ear with the hard ass part of the car, and I'm gonna be trying to finish that up. It's very hard because of the current conditions, so I'm gonna have to see if I can switch sides and unloosen that bolt. And once I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the oil out. And once I pour the oil out, I'm gonna take off the filter, and we should be good. Bro, we actually managed to get the bolt out, bro. It's gonna start coming out, bro. That shit is fucking tough. Like, nigga. That shit was fucking in there tight. So I'm gonna actually make sure that this thing's actually under there. So when this motherfucker come out, bro, like, I'm real deep. Because that shit's gonna spew oil everywhere. No bullshit. So I recommend when y'all do a oil change on your 370Z, dog, please get a proper fucking torque. See, I got that bitch in there fucking thing. And make sure y'all wear gloves. Don't be like me. Make sure y'all wear gloves, dog, because this is ridiculous. That whole body hot as a bitch, bro. I'm gonna try to be careful. Cause well, all of my shit. Where's my phone, bro? This shit need a change a long time ago, bro. I'm trying to look for my phone. I don't see that bitch. Oh fuck, bro. It's not there over. Oh, dog. Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all later, guys. Change the filter. I don't know if y'all can see it, that white thing that's right there. The little can thing, I'm gonna change that out, and we should be done. Once I swap out with the can that's right there, we should be done. We're gonna top out the oil, and we should be done for tonight. Make sure it's nice and tight. No leaks. First time hard. Just like how we did me. First time. And I think that should be it. Alright. So now the filter that's right here, and swap that out from the new one down over here, and we should be good. You sitting there trying to use this piece of shit as tool. This shit is completely useless, dog. Look. All I gotta do is use this muscle as a tool, and it's gonna start coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. And then after I'm finished and the car is done taking a wee-wee, we better put the K&S filter on it bit, bro. So let me finish getting this garbage out. Ooh, you see that brand is called Perisherhella Perolator. Yeah, it's alright, but you know, it's not that hard. Knock them off. K-N-N is in the spot. Took me a hard time to get that bitch done. Oh no, not the party mode. But yeah, took me a long ass time to get it in there, but we done. Alright, let's go. And then we can start talking about it, dog. Actually, why don't we do that? Alright, so as y'all basically see now, we're gonna go ahead and top it off. 5W, synthetic. Let's go ahead and just get this on. Plug out the way. That's why you gotta work out, y'all boys. You get a sports car, make sure you work out, bro. You need the muscle, man. How the hell you gonna do this with no muscle? You ask your girlfriend to do it for you? Just stop like it's looking a lot cleaner than me. Hold on. Always thought I'd get rich off dope. Paranoid is a bitch when I hear that dope. Every house I'm in got boards on the door. I serve you dog or a sheet of snow. Jump out that car, rain, sleet, or snow. Rocco Glock, you ain't even know. When they slid down the block, he ain't even know.